On today's video, I'm going to show you about we have added a new feature here. Now you can change the theme of your this code compiler. Okay, so let me try you to showcase here on the left side. I think left side you can see this one setting button, and when you just click on setting button, then you can use the editor also, Monaco editor, or S on mobile. S are always used, and you can see Monaco also, Monaco and S editor, both of these editor are here. I'm clicking on Monaco. Then color theme also, you can choose the various sort of the color theme from dark one also. Here I have choose this one also, here also. Okay, now here now this okay, I've choose this one, and I'll make this light also dark also. Okay. Now wrap text means wrap the long line to fit into okay, stop suggesting the completeness as you type means when we off this, when you turn on this, that text will that will be stop. It will stop suggesting us. So I'll not turn this off. Okay. So this will be off. I'll not turn this on. Okay. So this is the thing, and now when you click on done, okay, now here just see this here, and let me try you to show you one calculator. Okay, then we'll do other thing also. Okay, now here and here another thing, the new feature is you can download your code also, you can clear the output also. Just clear the output, and then when you run this now, output can be seen here. Now see this hello world, and then when you try to clear this output, now output will also be cleared. And now the much more moreover various programming language are also added over here, from Python, Java, C, C++, JavaScript, PHP, Node.js, C Sharp, Assembly also, Bash also, Visual Basic also, Kotlin, then Ruby also, Scala also, then TypeScript, then Python 2, Go also, Swift also, Dart also, EJS, then Deno, Bond. Okay, now web language here. Other web languages are also here: HTML, React, Vue, Angular, Bootstrap, jQuery, Milligram, Skeleton, Uluma, Alpine.js, Tailwind CSS, Backbone.js. Okay. Now database MySQL, Oracle, Oracle database, then Postgres, MongoDB, SQLite, Redis, then MariaDB, Oracle, then Microsoft SQL Server, PostDB, DocDB. Okay, this kind of the thing you can see here. And so I'll show you one. It will when we off this feature, I think yeah, and the solution won't be shown. So let's try to off this one. Okay. Now see here. Will now it hasn't shown any solution for us. So we all have to make. We have to make off for this one also. So this is the thing. And now see here when you type. Now it will suggest us the thing. You just paste this code. Okay. Now our code has been placed, and just try to run this. Okay. Now you can see the very simple calculator on here. Okay, when you click on equal to, now this kind of data or this kind of report will be displayed. Okay, so hope all of you understand this. And now I have taught you about how to enable dark mode on our website. And here from here also you can change the theme also. Now I have choose HTML, and now we are just adding this helper also for you, so that it will be easier for you to do furthermore good thing also. Okay, have a great day.